Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Zaz and Tarot Space. In today's reading, we will see what April 2023 is bringing for the Libra Zodiac. Let us first shuffle and get your cards out, and then we proceed to the reading. So Librans, let us see what the coming month is bringing for you. Okay. And four more cards. One, two, three, four. Okay. So let us look at the cards for Librans. Your first card is the Ace of Wands and a very positive card. I see opportunities coming your way. You will feel that life is supporting you, circumstances are supporting you, and presenting you with new opportunities in your area of work. Also, I see a lot of mental power, a lot of energy of the mind, the drive that is needed to take you forward, the focus that is needed to take you forward, a lot of mental power and energy, which is fantastic. Your second card, Knight of Wands, another Wands card, lots of Wands, fiery energy, lots of fire here. So a lot of fire keeps you motivated, keeps you really on your toes. So you will feel that all the work that had stagnated, any work that was not coming through, April is the month where you will feel things are developing so quickly. All the work that had stacked up is easily getting sorted out. You are able to work fast. Basically, all the work, all your career work, all your whether it is about your personal work or your job or your business, you will be able to take care of it very easily. I also see a lot of passionate energy here for you, Librans. Ace of Wands and Knight of Wands, both are the cards of passion. So you will stay motivated and passionate and maybe even hot-headed this month. And your third card is the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. I see comforts. I see you enjoying luxuries, enjoying comforts. All sorts of conveniences are coming your way. So if you've been eyeing that piece of furniture, eyeing that property, that house, that car, and you have been wanting to purchase something and you have not been finding the right deal, now is the time. April is the time when you can get that perfect deal to buy that which you have been, wanting to buy. Even unexpectedly, for that matter, you may come across fantastic deals and make your life, your home more comfortable. You will find that April is a month which keeps you comfortable and full of luxuries around you. Now, the next card that we're going to pull out will tell us how you are going to be feeling this month. Mind, not a great card here. Success card. Okay, positive. And moment to moment. So two fantastic cards here, one not so great. So Librans, for sure, all this development and fast developments that are happening around you, they are going to make you feel full. You will be able to enjoy yourself. You will feel fulfilled and you will feel on top of the world. You will feel like success is yours. You will feel victorious. I do see that with so much happening around you, it may be too much for you to handle mentally. And you do need in this month some outlet to calm your mind, soothe your mind, whether you want to listen to music, positive affirmations, because there's a possibility that you may tend to feel not only too clammed up in the mind, but also a little negative. So you need to be watchful of any negative thoughts and try and stay positive. Why? Because your mind is gonna be a powerhouse. There is a lot of power in your mind this month. If you use it negatively, it could be a disaster. So stay positive. Now, your oracle card, Whale Spirit, trust the great mystery. So a fantastic oracle card here, again ensuring you not to go negative and believe in the universe working towards your best interest. Even though things may seem a little chaotic and a little in commotion, the reason being that a lot will happen very fast. A lot of developments coming your way may end up, making you feel as though you're in a whirlwind. But you need to stay focused and keep your mind cool in the midst of all that by reminding yourself that all of this is happening in your best interest, and the universe will take care of anything that does not seem right to you. Now we're going to look at your personality, career, love, and finances, each area. So the High Priestess, fantastic. You will be perceived as a knowledgeable, spiritual, wise person in this month. People will look up to you. They may even come to you for advice. Okay. In fact, you may yourself be inclined towards spirituality, taking some time out to calm down yourself, and you need to do that this month. Career, Eight of Swords. Okay, this is not a great card, especially for career. You need to again be watchful of negative thinking. Otherwise, you may end up feeling that despite all the opportunities that are cropping up for you at work, in your career, or in your business, you are not being able to take advantage of those opportunities. You are not being able to do what you want to do. You may feel immobilized. But a lot of that has got to do with how you are thinking and feeling. So yes, I do see the story here. Do do stay positive, guys. It is very important this month because you will get tremendous opportunities around you. I see a lot of positive things happening around you, but you need to stay calm and positive and look at the positives as positive. Do not clamp yourself shut. Do not look at things negatively. Meditate if needed, so that you do not feel by the end of the month that so many opportunities came your way and you lost them because your mind was not ready to accept whatever life was bringing for you. Okay, your next card is Love Life. Let us see. Beautiful card, Two of Cups. Couldn't expect a more beautiful card. With the Two of Cups, if you are single, then be ready to mingle, because this card will bring someone, you may be introduced to someone, even if it is for a very brief moment or for a very short period. You'll meet someone where you feel that instant click, that instant connection, that intuitive feeling that, oh my God, I really feel connected to this person. It's almost as though I can see myself in the other person. That strong kind of a connection. If you are in a relationship, you will enjoy your relationship thoroughly, feel connected to your partner. And if you're married, again, you'll have a blast with your spouse, especially because you guys are gonna really enjoy the bliss of togetherness. Beautiful card. And finances. Queen of Swords for your finances. So I do not see any rash upward or downward trend in your finances or in your investments. This is a time for wise decisions in your investments, rational, logical decisions where your finances will stay steady, will not go either, your boat will not be rocked, or else you cannot expect tremendous growth if you are looking at investments. But this is a card which promises a stable financial environment for you, and a good financial environment for that matter. Okay, yes, if there had been losses in the past, it is possible that you had experienced losses in the past, then now is the time when you can kind of think of stabilizing those losses or making up for those losses. So in that sense, April could be a good month. And now, Librans, your last card is your guidance card, that is Moon card. Okay, and the Moon card again is telling you, Librans, to keep a rein over any negative thinking. It'll lead to depression. Stay positive, stay calm. If needed, meditate. Connect to your inner self, connect to your mind, connect to your intuition. Your intuitions will be high this month, so you can take decisions intuitively. So, fantastic cards and a fantastic month ahead for you, Librans. Have a lovely time ahead. Do take care of yourselves. Bye bye.